Hi, I'm Jay, and one of the common questions we get every year is how do I set this little knob on my humidifier? Now, this particular one, this is a newer style humidifier, and it says open or closed. Now, over the years, these have had different types of printing on them. Sometimes they have said winter, summer. Sometimes they have said low, medium, high. Basically, this knob controls a little door. In the closed position, right here, the door is closed. Okay, so there's a what is called a damper. That damper or door is closed right now when it's in the closed position. On older models of these humidifiers, it was again sometimes called low or sometimes called summer. So summer, low, closed, those are all closed. In the wintertime, you want to use your humidifier. So you want to have it in this position here, which actually this door is now like this. So it says open. And again, in some of the older models, open was also called high or winter. So right now, it's open. That's the position you want it in during the winter. Closed, that's the position you want it in the summer when you're not using your humidifier. So it's wintertime right now. We're going to leave it in the open position. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.